Hello children, today I am going to introduce you heart diseases. Mainly heart diseases we can call in these four names: palpitation, cardiac arrest, heart attack and hypertension. Let us see what is palpitation. Palpitations means are the feelings or sensation that feel like your heart is pounding or racing. You may simply have an unpleasant awareness of your own heartbeat or may feel skipped or stopped beats. Palpitation can be felt in your chest, throat or neck. You are more likely to have an abnormal heart rhythm if you have non-heart disease, significant risk factors for heart disease, or an abnormal heart valve, or sometimes that electrolyte abnormality or low potassium level in our body. Palpitations can be caused by due to that heavy strenuous physical activity or exercise, and anxiety, stress and fever, overuse of caffeine and drugs like nicotine, cocaine or any kind of diet pills, and overactive thyroid, abnormal functioning of thyroid gland, anemia, hyperventilation and low levels of oxygen in our blood, mitral valve prolapse and heart disease. Here abnormal functioning of auricles, and you know that during the time of palpitation, so that increased heartbeat rate may be reached above 100 beats per minute. What is hypertension? Hypertension is also known as high blood pressure, HBP, HTN, HT like a term. It's a long-term medical condition in which the blood pressure in the arteries is persistently elevated. High blood pressure typically does not cause symptoms, but in the case of a normal person, their blood pressure is 120/80 mmHg. So then blood pressure above 140/90 regularly regarded as hypertension. Heart attack. Let us study now heart attack symptoms. In the case of male, shortness of breath, fatigue, jaw pain, chest pressure, burning, aching or tightness, pain that travels down one or both arms, anxiety, back pain, feeling of fullness and nausea. In the case of female, unusual fatigue, lightheadedness and fainting, discomfort in one or both arms, neck, shoulder, jaw or stomach, chest pressure, squeezing pain in the center of their chest, upper abdominal pressure or discomfort, feeling of fullness, nausea or vomiting, and cold sweat are the symptoms in female. Let us see that during the time of heart attack, how that our heart works. Here you can see that the blood vessels, that means coronary arteries, supplies blood to the heart. Say decrease in the blood supply to the heart by coronary artery. So due to the loss of vascularity of the blood vessels. So due to that overuse of that fatty food, oily food, then that high blood cholesterol, these all are the causes there. What are the signs of a panic attack? In the case of panic attack, that nausea, chills or hot flashes, sweating, trembling or shaking, numbness or tingling, dizziness, heart palpitations, hyperventilation. These are the signs of a panic attack. Let us see what is cardiac arrest. In the case of cardiac arrest, is a sudden failure of heart to pump blood. Its symptoms are sudden collapse, no pulse, no breathing and loss of consciousness. This may be preceded by chest pain, dizziness, shortness of breath and blackout. What are the heart conditions that lead to cardiac arrest? Coronary artery disease, low potassium in blood, valvular heart diseases, abnormal activity of ventricles, major blood loss, enlargement of heart muscles, and heart failure are the reasons of cardiac arrest. So the risk factors for cardiac arrest are sometimes due to our family history, high blood cholesterol, overweight, high blood pressure, use of drugs, smoking, and diabetes. Let us see that what are the difference between cardiac arrest and heart attack. Cardiac arrest is the result of an electrical malfunctioning in the heart. It is in the case of heart attack, it is the result of coronary artery blockage. In cardiac arrest, commonly caused by abnormal heart rhythms like ventricular fibrillation. In heart attack, commonly caused by lifestyle factors like diet, obesity, smoking, and alcohol. In cardiac arrest, it is fatal about 90% of the time. In the case of heart attack, it is fatal about 14% of the time. In cardiac arrest, the heart stops beating. In the case of heart attack, the heart continues beating. In the case of cardiac arrest, the victim is unconscious with no pulse. In heart attack, the victim is conscious with a pulse. In cardiac arrest, the condition usually comes suddenly without warning. In the case of heart attack, warning symptoms can include chest pain, dizziness, shortness of breath, and sweating. In cardiac arrest, treatment requires CPR and defibrillation with an AED to restore heart rhythm. In the case of heart attack, treatment requires medication and surgery to restore normal blood flow. Thank you for watching this video.